If Windows is showing Remove Failed when you try to delete a Bluetooth device, follow these simple steps to fix it on Windows 11 or Windows 10.
Step 1. Restart Bluetooth service. Click on the search icon and type Services. Right-click on Services and select Run as Administrator. Now scroll down and find Bluetooth Support Service. If the service is not running, click Start. After restarting the service, try removing the Bluetooth device again. Go to Device Manager. Once the Device Manager opens up, then head to Bluetooth. Click on it and then click on Generic Bluetooth Adapter. Then right-click and click Update. Then click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Below, click the Let Me Pick from a list. Then it will show computer hardware. Select the Bluetooth adapter and click Next. After that, it will scan and then the driver will get updated. Then restart your PC. After restart, the Bluetooth device should remove without any error. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe for more Windows fixes.